Hi everyone, this is Xeno XK. Let me show you how you can monitor visitors and manage access using the mobile app. When someone presses the gate bell, you receive an instant notification and can see the visitor through the live video. You can speak to the visitor directly through the app without opening the gate. Once confirmed, you can unlock the gate remotely. You can also grant temporary access for guests or delivery without sharing permanent credentials. All unlocked records and visitor logs are stored in the app for monitoring. Full control, total security right from your phone. Thank you.